How do you make up for marks you lost in Unit 1? How much you need to score in Unit 2, Unit 3, so that you can get an overall A? Or if you're planning on taking A-level as a whole, what are the marks needed so that you can score an overall A star? So this is what the grade boundaries are usually are. Small changes every exam session, but they're not much different anymore. So you can see here, the Unit 1 in this session is 49 out of 80 to score an A. It ranges between this much and like 56 out of 80, depending on difficulty. In this exam session, I believe the exam was quite long and the last couple of questions are not easy. So I'm expecting it to be within that range. So just quick reminder about the weights of these units. You have 40% for Unit 1, 40% for Unit 2, and Unit 3 is half credit, it's 20%. Unit 3 is the one that requires a lot of solving. You really literally need to solve every single exam paper. Questions are the most unpredictable among all units. It's usually Unit 3, Unit 6 are very unpredictable. So students who want to repeat a unit, I usually recommend repeating Unit 1, Unit 2 first because they have more weight, more percentage, and they're predictable, meaning you study, you get the score you studied for. But Unit 3, now for students who are taking A-level as a whole, then this time the Unit 1 becomes half the weight, mainly because now you're going to be taking the other 3 units, 4, 5, and 6, which tells you that if you're taking A-level as a whole, you can afford to some extent not scoring very high grades because you have more room to improve because you've taken 6 units instead of just taking 3. Now, Unit 4, 5, and 6, they're just as much as Units 1, 2, and 3 in terms of their percent. Now, speaking of UMS, because that's what matters to decide your grade, Unit 1 is 120, Unit 2 is 120, and Unit 3 is going to be 60. Same applies to Units 4, 5, and 6. Now, what it takes to score an A, as a UMS for AS first, you need 240 as a whole. So 240 out of 300 is quite not difficult to score. So A is, everyone I think study enough, solve at least half the number of past papers, you can reach to that 240. Obviously you need to understand the content. But scoring an A star is where things become quite more challenging because you need that 480, which is 240 times 2, but there are 2 other small requirements. So you need that 480 I was telling you about, but for A2 specifically, you need to score 270 out of 300, okay? So again, if you're still in your AS, then aim for that 240. If you flopped your Unit 1 exam and you managed to score like a high B, mid B, you can still make it up with Unit 2 and 3. You score the C, it's not going to be very easy. It's going to be a bit more challenging. And if you're aiming for an A star, a low B, you must repeat the entire Unit 1 exam to reach to that, the 480.